It is the dawn of artificial intelligence, and we are lucky enough to be the first few to witness real world changes in terms of AI. Movies have so far only depicted what AI might look like in the future, and while some portray them as friends, others do not. Entering the 21st century, we have started to interact with AI on a day to day basis. Whether this is online or in person, we are beginning to see the birth of the era of robotics. Possibly in these last few weeks, you may have heard of OpenAI or ChatGPT in specific. OpenAI has recently been working on chatbots such as DAL-E 2 and ChatGPT. These artificial intelligent bots are species of their own and have recently been the talk on popular social media platforms. Hello and welcome back to another video. I hope you all have had a wonderful 2022 and are ready to dive into 2023. This is the first video of a series that will be focused on ChatGPT, since it's an upcoming and recent AI model that OpenAI has been working on extensively. GPT, or Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a type of artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It's called a generative model because it gives text-based response on a given prompt. GPT is also a pre-training model, meaning that it's trained on a large dataset beforehand and then fine-tuned for a specific task. I was exploring this bot and was quite shocked to see its various capabilities. The introduction that I just gave to you was written by ChatGPT itself. It is truly wonderful how this bot works because its dialogue format seems quite natural and conversational in nature. The fact that OpenAI has achieved almost human-like speech from an AI model is truly a commendable feat. This chatbot is so well trained that a Stanford report states that it was trained over 175 billion parameters and about 570 gigabytes of text. The extent to which this model works is quite fascinating because it can even prompt answers from which it wasn't trained. You can ask it for birthday party ideas, write and debug code, explain things like you are 5, write creative stories, make music, translate, extract data, you name it, and this bot will provide it. So, how does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT-3 language model developed by OpenAI. Like other language models, it is trained on a large dataset of text and learns to predict the likelihood of a sequence of words. The specific implementation details of ChatGPT may differ from other language models, but in general, a language model like ChatGPT works by using a
word based and predicts the next different words occurring in that context. In the context of it has learned the structure and pattern. It has been trained on a large data set of conversation. When you input text that is appropriate and coherent in the context of the conversation.
So, in basic terms, OpenAI has utilized reinforcement learning and supervised learning to fine-tune this AI bot. The reinforcement learning component of this bot is unique because the creators use something called reinforcement learning from human feedback, which uses human feedback to minimize harsh, biased, or untruthful outputs. I definitely did not copy what my friend wrote on this. They utilize machine learning, which is when the model trains itself without being explicitly coded by humans. It took various text samples, like I said before, about 570 gigabytes of text, and was trained using all of that. This included information from books, Wikipedia, and all your online articles. It predicts the probability of the next word appearing in the sentence you wrote. So, the model takes in words used previously and then calculates the probability that the next word in each word is its lexicon. Having been given such a large sample of text, ChatGPT has been trained on a large computer, having 285,000 core CPU and a 10,000 core GPU. Now, this may seem like a normal number, but the machine through which you are watching this video only has about 4 to 10 core GPU and CPU. Each one of these cores costs about $10,000 US. So the whole computer is worth around $200 million, and this price is just for the CPU and the GPU. This model has come a long way now, with GPT-1 being trained on 110 billion parameters, GPT-2 having 1.5 billion parameters, to now GPT-3, which has a whopping 175 billion parameters. This is quite interesting to us humans because it is so advanced. When I first saw it, I was shocked to see its capabilities. I asked it a few things and it responded to me very cleverly. While being intellectually aware of the topic, it explained to me like a normal human being would, but of course with much more detail. Now, one other thing that students are finding quite exceptional about this bot is that it can do your homework and basically whatever question you ask it. So like here, I've asked it how to find the second largest number in an array using pseudocode, and it has given me a full short answer for that with annotations and perfect explanations. Although this is quite unimaginable, some of you may not know that this bot is prone to plagiarism. I'll talk more about this in the next video. In this video, we learned about ChatGPT, a powerful artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. We have explored how ChatGPT works, using an encoder to process input text and a decoder to generate output text in a natural, human-like manner. We've also discussed the various applications of ChatGPT, including its ability to generate responses to prompts, write and debug code, explain concepts, create music, translate text, and extract data. The fact that ChatGPT is able to perform such a wide range of tasks and generate coherent and natural sounding responses is a testament to the incredible progress that has been made in the field of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining me in this journey to explore the field of AI through ChatGPT. I hope this video was insightful and informative, and I encourage you to research about such exciting developments in the field of AI. Stay tuned in for the next video in this series. By the way, that conclusion was written by ChatGPT.